Hi guys, how are you? New video on my channel. Thank you for being a valuable member and thank you for watching my videos. So today I want to show you one of my favorite albums. Okay, let's just dive to the video. So today I want to talk about my dollar collection because there is so many series of dollar with so different designs. So in this video I will show you 3 different designs of latest designs of dollars and different stamps. Okay, but as you know, you have most of them current series have a green stamp, but it could be also red, it could be yellow, it could be green, okay, it could be blue and also brown. So let's see what I have and let's go to the point. So $1 bill just I think never changed, okay, since 1950s. It's just not changed, but so what I want to do, I just want to collect the most all the oldest banknotes, oldest bill of $1. Okay, that's what I do in this case. So just you can see 1988 series, okay, and then 1995 series and 1999 series, like same design, same green stamp here, and also if we look back, it's everything is the same, but as you know, people like rare banknote, people like old banknotes, and especially in good condition. So I just want to put aside as far as just someone give me something like this, I put it aside and just collect. Okay, next is $2. In this case you see 2 different series with 2 almost completely different designs. Okay, so in this case $2 1953, okay, series, red stamp, okay, and another one is 2003 green stamp. Okay, you see different design. I really like this banknote, okay, and wow, it's amazing. So you can see it's very different. United States of America will pay to the bearer on demand $2. United States of America $2. They change not only design but also words, and words is like there is a meaning for the words. Also the back side of the banknote also changed drastically. Okay, Monticello, and in the newest one is Declaration of Independence, the famous portrait. Okay, let's go forward. $5, 3 different designs I have. So put me in your comments, what do you have? Okay, so if you have another stamps, another color, okay, if you have something with green, obviously you have. If you have something with blue, brown, red, and yellow maybe, please write me down below, and maybe we could swap, maybe we could do some exchange. I will really happy because I'm searching for it. It's valuable, okay, it's cost. Okay, so $5 in this case is 1995 and 1999 and 2013. 3 different series, completely different design. You can see we have a small portrait here, bigger portrait here, and here they just put a frame aside. Okay, we cannot see the frame as we saw in these 2 banknotes. So completely different designs, very beautiful. The backside Lincoln Memorial doesn't change a lot, okay, just okay, more colorful in the latest version, and here is pretty the same, but maybe here is just little bigger. Okay, $10. Unfortunately, I just like yesterday I sold the latest series, so I don't have the latest series of $10 because I sold it. Okay, but I have two previous series, so I can buy it like tomorrow. Okay, it's very easy to buy the latest series of $10. This is more like rarest banknote, 1990. Okay, $10, smaller portrait, and Hamilton of 1999, bigger picture of him. Another changes, I don't know, there is more like more design in the oldest build, and so the picture is definitely changed. Okay, you can see this is the front of the building, this is from like a side of the building. More blank space, few blank space. So this is $10 banknote. $20 Jackson again. Unfortunately, also $20. The latest series sold, but I will buy, and it will be completed this collection. So again, smallest portrait, biggest portrait. Okay, this series is 1990, 1999. Okay, the back side is almost no, it's different side of the White House, as you can see. Okay, the different size. Okay, next $50. $50 1993, $50 1996, $50 2013. So three completely different series. You can see a lot of difference between all of them. How many colors do you see in this bill? And so you can see these colors in these banknotes. This is the biggest one, and this is the smallest one. Also the back side also changed. You can see more focused US capital in these banknotes and more like panoramic view in the previous series. Okay, again, next $100 bill. Okay, 1993, 2006, and 2017. Completely different designs. Okay, you see smallest portrait again, and the biggest portrait, but they put $100 like aside, and here it's like in a regular position, let's say like this. And the US dollar is completely different. It's really colorful. They put the security strip to the front. Okay, change it. It's like 3D security strip with some 3D motion. You can see, and it's they change the color of the strip, so it's very interesting. It's it's more securest, of course, but you see designs are really different. Okay, also from the back side. They do also, they pictured another side of Independence Hall, and they put these yellow numbers here. But I have a little bonus for you also. This is, I say, a more valuable banknote of dollars that I have. Okay, people love to collect it because it's a more rarest one. Okay, it's like a star notes. Okay, as you know, star notes, we can do a different pictures why we have star notes, but let's just point, let's go to a main point of this star. Okay, this star is something that people looking for. Okay, so, and I also collect this because I like it. So $1 I have with as a star note, also $2 of 2013 star note, $50 it's 2013 $50 star note. Again, the only one and only difference between all the series and this series is a star note as a star. Okay, the star, this is the only one difference. And also I have from previous series, okay, 2006, I have a star note of $100 and $100 the latest series. Okay, so you know, people always look at I sold a lot of banknotes like star notes because people search for it. Please write me below. What do you have? You can write me here on YouTube, you can write me in Instagram, and just tell me what dollar collection do you have. Okay, maybe it's different star notes, maybe it's different color of stamp. Okay, just tell me, and I will see you in next video. Thank you very much. Good luck. Bye bye.